Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 9th. Here Act 2 Scene 7 is going on, line number 45. Act 2 Scene 7. One of these three contains, the speaker is Morocco. One of these three contains her heavenly picture. One of these three caskets contains her divine image. One of these three, gold, silver and lead, caskets contains her divine image. Is it like that lead contains her? He asked the question to himself. Is it possible that lead casket has it? 'Twere damnation to think so base a thought. It would be bad to think so low a thought. So low a thought, it would be bad. It were too gross to rib her cerecloth in the obscure grave. It is an ordinary metal. It is an ordinary metal, even to contain her winding sheet when she is put into the dark grave. Or shall I think in silver she is immured? Shall I think that she is locked up in the silver casket, which is only a tenth of the worth, being 10 times undervalued to tried gold? Shall I think that she is locked up in the silver casket, which is only a tenth of the worth of pure gold? 10 times low value. Oh, sinful thought! Never so rich a gem was set in worse than gold. A wicked thought, a bad, very bad thought. Such a rich gem was never set in anything less than gold. They have in England a coin that bears the figure of an angel, stamped in gold, but that is sculpted upon. But here an angel in a golden bed lies all within. They have in England a gold coin which has the figure of an angel carved in gold and stamped on it. But here an angel lies enclosed in a golden casket. Surely, certainly, her portrait will be in golden casket. Deliver me the key. Here do I choose and thrive as I may. He says here, give me the key. Here I choose the casket. Whatever may be my chances of success, whatever may be the consequences, whatever may be my chances of success, give me the key. Portia said, there, take it, prince, and if my form lie there, then I am yours. Portia said, there it is. Take the key. Make your choice, prince. If my picture is inside, then I become yours. Morocco unlocks the golden casket. He opens the golden casket. Morocco says, oh hell, what have we here? A Korean death, within whose empty eye there is written a scroll. I'll read the writing. As soon as he opens the casket, golden casket, gold casket, he says, oh hell, what do you see here? A dead skull, within whose hollow eye socket there is a roll of paper on which something is written. Hollow eye socket. There is a roll of paper on which something is written. I'll read it. He reads. All that glitters is not gold. Often have you heard that told. Many a man his life has sold, but my outside to behold. All that glitters, everything which shines, is not gold. All that glitters is not gold. Often you have heard that said, that proverb. Many a man has given his life, many a man has given his life to see the exterior of mine. Has given his life to see the exterior, outer appearance, to see the exterior of mine. But he says, glided tombs do worms enfold. Had you been as wise as bold, young in limbs in judgment old, your answer had not been inscrolled. Fare you well, your suit is cold. Good rhyming here, you see. Whatever was written in the scroll has good rhyming. It is written that many a man has given his life to see the exterior of mine, but gold-plated tombs have worms inside. Gold-plated. Appearance may be deceptive, but gold-plated tombs have worms inside. If you had been as wise as you are courageous, having an experienced judgment in your youthful body, then this would not have been the answer that appeared on the scroll for you. Farewell, your hopes are dead. Indeed, it is a disappointment and your labor is lost. Gold indeed and labor lost, then farewell, heat and welcome frost. Portia, adieu, I have too grieved a heart to take a tedious leave, thus loser part. Farewell, your hopes are dead. Indeed, it is a disappointment and your labor is lost. Bid goodbye to your love and welcome disappointment. Portia, farewell. Farewell, Portia. I am too sad at heart to bid a more formal farewell. A loser should depart thus. Exit with his train, flourish of cornets. Leaves with his followers, trumpet sound. Portia says, a gentle riddance, draw the curtains, go. Let all his complexion choose me so. Portia says, a good riddance, draw the curtains and let us go. May every suitor like him make a similar choice. She wishes every suitor like him make a similar choice. They depart from there. And by this way, the act 2, scene 7 is completed. If you have any problem, please ask me.